as a pump man, you realize that the amps is kind of like the blood pressure of your pump. If it's too high, there's a reason. If it's too low, there's a reason. And when we're out there with a truck and we throw an amp meter on a pump control box and you can see how many amps it's pulling, it's kind of like going to the doctor and getting your blood pressure taken at that moment. But then, 2 minutes later, that meter's in the truck and you're gone, and you don't come back for, weeks, months, years, decades, depending upon, the system. When you start getting that information 24 hours a day, it's amazing what happens. I'll give you an example. 2 days after I installed my system, I got up one morning and I had an alert that I had low pressure. I had a low pressure event. My pressure had gotten low in the middle of the night. So obviously my irrigation system runs in the middle of the night. And about 2:30 in the morning, an irrigation zone had run. And for that whole zone, the pressure was down around 20 PSI. I went to my irrigation controller, figured out which zone that was, went and turned it on. Sure enough, I had a broken sprinkler head. I don't know how long that sprinkler head had been broken. I'm usually asleep at 2 o'clock in the morning. But it was so simple to find it once I was monitoring it. So what kind of systems can it go on? It can go on any systems you want. And it's the pricing for small residential is a little harder to sell. Okay. It's going to be a lot easier to sell these for a big commercial well where dependability is a really big deal. But you can put them on any well, and you can put just a couple of sensors on if you want to try to save money, or add a bunch more sensors if you really want to monitor everything.